This is an easy, classic, and comforting chicken dinner. I'm Tess, and tonight I will show you step by step how to make a delicious classic chicken a la king meal. Stay tuned. This chicken a la king recipe is rich and creamy and good. If you have leftover chicken, this is a great go-to recipe, and you can serve it with just about anything. In my pan on medium heat, I have 1 stick or a half a cup of butter and 1 cup each of diced onions and bell peppers, cooking and stirring for a couple minutes. This is 1 8-ounce package of sliced mushrooms, cooking and stirring for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the mushrooms cook down. Leave a little liquid and fat on the bottom of the pan. Adding in 2 cloves of minced garlic and about a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. You can taste and season along the way. Cooking and stirring for about 30 seconds, and then I'm adding in a half a cup of flour. Cooking and stirring for a minute or 2, or until the flour is absorbed. Pouring in 2 cups of homemade chicken broth. If you're using a boxed or canned broth, just be careful of the sodium content. Turning my heat up to bring this up to a simmer. Stirring and scraping the bottom of the pan. I'm also adding in 1 1/2 cups of milk. To boost the flavor a little, I'm adding in a teaspoon of better than bouillon chicken. A sprinkle more of black pepper and giving that a stir. Bringing this up to a low simmer and cooking for 3 to 5 minutes or until the sauce slightly thickens. What makes chicken a la king so creamy and silky good is this. We are going to temper these 2 rich egg yolks into the sauce, and they will take this chicken a la king to another level good. I turn my sauce down to low. In a bowl, I'm whisking 2 egg yolks and a 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Now I'm slowly pouring in about a 1/4 cup of the hot mixture into the egg cream mixture while I whisk vigorously. You want to continuously stir so you even out the temperature and you don't cook the eggs. Stir for about 10 seconds, and we are immediately going to pour this mixture back into the saucepan, again whisking continuously. You don't want the eggs to cook. You want a nice, smooth, silky, creamy sauce. Once incorporated, turn the heat up to a low medium and cook for a couple minutes. Now 2 of the classic ingredients in chicken a la king. 1 cup of frozen peas and 1 cup of drained chopped pimentos. Giving that a good stir and bringing up to a low simmer. Adding in 4 cups of diced cooked rotisserie chicken. Another good stir and cook for a couple minutes or until the chicken is heated through. If the consistency is too thick, you can thin out with a little broth. Make sure you taste for any seasonings, and it is ready to eat. Tonight I'm serving over some spaghetti squash and buttermilk biscuits. You can also serve over rice, pasta, potatoes, or toast. It really doesn't matter. The chicken a la king is so good. I hope you give this classic chicken a la king recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!